keyless entry here, final test video. I've got a couple of issues with lighting, shadows, keeping everything in frame. I won't be talking much during this video. I'll be trying to open this lock here without hooks, just rakes and stuff like that. So I'll give each tool 10-20 seconds each, and yeah, primarily concentrating on the shadows, the lighting, keeping it in frame. And we haven't opened. Another. Saves. Okay. This lock's not too fussy. Hope you guys aren't either. With all the shadows and all that. I am going to improve my setup. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I will get it done. So be patient, guys. I'll obviously have some better locks for you. I've got some coming this week, and I'll get stuck into those. I'll do some reviews, maybe do some challenge locks. By challenge locks I mean building challenge locks, because yeah, that's where I'm at the moment, starting out. And yeah, Alright, you guys have a good night, and probably see me during the week.